Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Tuesday, June 9th. Starting off in the June Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Monday of 944 even. Above 944 even in the June Mini S&P was considered bullish for Monday. Below 944 even was considered bearish. I had the first line of resistance up at 955.25. The first line of support down at 930.75. Now these are 15-minute bars. This is where the regular trading session opened. Obviously, you could see we're in a bearish mode well below that pivot level of 944 even. We sold off a little bit after the open, going down under the first line of support at 930.75. When we're trading in this range, I did send messages out. It was 10:23 Eastern Time, 9:23 Central. Even though we're in a bearish mode, look to get long or buy the June Mini S&P at S1 level. Even better, a couple points under. We've seen that big range on Friday with the release of the unemployment numbers. We've seen a very big volatile range on Friday. That affects the numbers for Monday. So I just thought it was unlikely that we would go down to the second level of support down at 919.5. So you could see that the market did go above the first line of support. We did have one more sell-off. The market went down to 925.5, went back over the first line of support. And then you could see in the last hour the market really took off and actually went positive very briefly, going over the pivot level, but settling down at 938.75. The market was down 1.75 points on the day on Monday. So for Tuesday, I'm looking at the pivot level 937.5. We settled Monday at 938.75. We need to stay above 937.5 for a bullish market. Below 937.5 is considered bearish. I have the first line of resistance 948.5. The second line of resistance 958 even. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support 928 even. The second level of support down at 916.75. Also, I have the weekly numbers here. Weekly pivot 938.25. Notice, obviously, we settled 938.75. Weekly pivot very close to Monday's settlement. Also very close to tomorrow's daily pivot. I'm looking at the first line of weekly resistance 959.75. Also very close to tomorrow's daily second line of resistance. And then the second line of weekly resistance up at 979.5. First line of weekly support 919.5. The second line of weekly support down at 898 even. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.